Owl Barn is a delightful 17th century converted barn set amidst the glorious countryside. Inside you will find a charming open-plan living area with comfy furnishings, a welcoming wood-burning stove and wonderful views over the countryside. The kitchen is well equipped with all you could need to prepare delicious meals, and there are 2 inviting king-size bedrooms, one with an ensuite and a cosy twin room. There's also a modern house bathroom. Then outside is a pretty patio area, which is a perfect place for a glass of wine. From Owl Barn, the walks from your doorstep are wonderful and plentiful, and there are several excellent eateries very close by. Yet you're just a short drive from vibrant Bowness, where you will discover a wealth of things to explore and enjoy in the village and on beautiful Lake Windermere. Lake lovers, hand-picked for you.